Hey, this is Shelton and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's video, we're going to talk about affiliate marketers for beginners, how and what to do about producing income activities. What type of producing income activity you should be doing on a daily basis. So you definitely want to watch this video. If this is your first time here at this video, don't forget to hit the notification bell and subscribe below this video because you don't want to miss a beat when I go on live. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now you know what time it is and you know who this is. This is Shelton, and today we're going to talk about producing income activities in your online business for beginners, for affiliate marketers, and network marketers. Now, when I first got started out in this online business space, I didn't understand what income producing activities was. I wasn't taught that in the beginning. I was only taught, well, I wouldn't say taught, but I only knew at the time was basically you want to take action, but you want to have a strategy behind it. So what I was doing, in the beginning, I didn't even know what taking action was really. And so I was doing emails or doing videos, but I didn't have any strategies behind it. And are those things getting income producing activities? Are they actually getting me the results? Now, since I'm gotten coaching and mentorship, I definitely understand what that is more clear. And that's why I want to do a video for you. Because in the beginning, I struggled with it. I didn't know what that was. I didn't know what income producing activities was. So I was just doing all kinds of stuff. I was all over the place. I thought I knew what I was doing. I thought that, if I send this email out, or if I do this video, or if I even get this paid traffic going, then that was income producing activities. Well, I was wrong because I didn't have a strategy behind it. So every time you do a video, every time you do a blog post, every time you do an email, you should have a strategy behind that that's going to produce income activities with value content and giving them something that they can really, really like and need. The cause and effect approach, that's what my mentor taught me, is that you want to locate and identify the cause and effect, which basically means you want to see the problem, maybe have the solution, and you have to be consistent by what's the cause of this effect. What's the main problem that people are having in this business? Well, one thing is when they first started out, they get confused with the tech overwhelm. They don't know how to drive traffic. They don't know how to communicate with their customers. They have mindset issues, so they need to overcome getting over what their fears are. It's a bunch of stuff. Mindset, driving traffic, all these things are going on, and you're confused with tech overwhelm, especially when you're signing up for these programs. And tech issue, that happened with me, where I was signing up for this program. I didn't even know how to log in, because you logged in, then you have to log in again to get something else, get to another funnel. It was so confusing, and you don't take action steps towards that. So there won't be any income producing activity because you tech overwhelmed. Keep things simple. Have a strategy before you take those activities and make sure they're producing some type of income result. You may not get it today, but if you're consistent at it each and every single day, you will have some results. And you take those results and you leverage those results. And then you leverage those results. If you're consistent enough, you will have something you can be very proud of, but you got to be consistent at it. And I tell everybody, get a mentor and a coach. Get a system that you believe in that can get you results. Then get a mentor and a coach as well along with that, and work on your mindset daily. That's so important. When you wake up, have a routine where you're doing something positive for yourself. Well, that's all I got for you. I just got up this morning and I thought about this. I'm going to do a video about producing income activities, and those activities are things that are going to give you the results. Those things are going to give you something that you can build your business on. That's all I got today. I'll see you in the next video. Affiliate markets for beginners, income producing results. Now, if this is your first time here, if you want to learn how more deep in detail of income producing activities, I do have a link right below this video. It's my #1 recommendation to make money online. Then you click on that link, you'll be part of my team, and we'll go ahead and crush it the rest of this year, all year long, even next year. But we'll go ahead and start those processes immediately. So click on the link below, sign up. There's a short video that you need to watch to get you more income to the program. And this program is good. It's done for your system. We got good training packages. It's great for newbies. Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about it. Take that action today. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.